Sewlush, easy projects fully explained. Download and save designs using a USB. And how to organise your designs so you can find them again. This is part 1 of a series. This is what we're going to be looking at today. This is a pen drive, also called a USB, sometimes USB stick, USB memory, memory stick, thumb drive. It's got a lot of names, but this is what it is. And the symbol for these USB pens are on the side of your sewing machine. If you can see it just here, and that's where your USB goes, in the side there. You can also see it on the front of your machine there, after you've looked at your menu for embroidery. I use a 4GB thumb drive or USB, and these pens should only really be used for transporting your embroidery designs from your computer or from the internet through your computer directly to your sewing machine. They shouldn't be used to store your designs. Saving your designs to somewhere secure, not on your computer, I recommend an external hard drive. You can buy these from places like Amazon, and you just save your complete folder onto here of all your embroidery designs. I mean, you can back up your computer onto here as well if you want to, but you can save your designs onto here, and then you can unplug it from your computer, put it somewhere safe, and then on a regular basis go back and back up your designs. That way, if the worst happens, you've still got them. In this first example, I'm going to show you how to download directly to a USB pen. And for this, I'm on Embroidery Library, the website for embroidery designs, and I'm going to open this design, New Christmas Designs. It's a design I've already bought. I've stitched it out. It's a lovely design, and here it is. I just press download, and then it's going to open up on my computer, USB stick or pen in the side of my computer, and it's come up as USB drive F. So if I open that, you can see I've got a number of designs on here. If you're using a new pen, it'll come up completely blank. I've already got the design on here once because I had a practice before I did this demonstration. So now I'm going to save it onto this pen. Normally, I'd change the name here to something like Holly, but I'm actually going to just leave it like that so it looks different to that one. And I'm going to save. And now I can close that, and I can now go to my, now yours mightn't say F drive, it'll just depend on how your computer's configured. It might say a different number there, but so long as it says USB, you know you're in the right place. So then if I click on USB, I can see there's the Holly I downloaded, and there's the previous one. So I can see it's on my USB pen, and now I'm going to transfer it to my sewing machine. So here I am at my machine. I'll show you. There it is. And I've got up the window to open my designs. And I'm going to put my pen into the side of my machine. And then I'm going to use this symbol, which is a symbol for a USB pen, and it's going to transmit my designs. And And here's the one that we saw me download, and I'm going to and there it is, ready to stitch. So a very simple process, very straightforward. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to look at the rest of this series.